Now, another important investigative story that we have been following, and that is about the beds crisis in Bengaluru. Now, there's a massive beds crisis in the city, and the mystery behind the patients not being allotted beds in the city hospitals is now clear, and that is linked to a testing lab issue. That's right. Now, what some of the testing labs that Mirror Now has been speaking to has told us that they're struggling to upload test results on their ICMR portal, further delaying the process of patients getting beds. Now, this is largely owing to the fact that the labs don't have data entry operators to upload the results manually on the portal. And in some cases, the delay can be as long as a week, with patients losing out on critical time. Take a look at this special report by Neha Hebale. We also spoke to the director of one of the biggest labs in Bengaluru to understand the problem. Here is what he had to say.
When thousands of results are getting generated, there are many that are coming positive. Now, these positives need to be verified, because without verification, the chances of errors are very high. The process of verification and uploading onto the ICMR portal is certainly taking time. And this process, though a lot has been done electronically, it involves a data entry operator to actually do the process of verification and uploading it into the ICMR website. So I see that becoming a bottleneck in terms of the time that we need to complete the entire process. Okay. So from our own point of view, what we are trying to do is, we have one data entry operator, and the number of positives in our lab is going up from 1,500 to 2,500. And we would need a second data entry operator. In spite of all the automation in the information management, we are getting a second data entry operator to do this work. For us, what we have seen over the last 1 year, and this particularly the second wave, I must admit that the entire ICMR portal is done very well. They have done a great job. But having said that, it's all dependent on computers, it's dependent on networks. So we have had days when everything goes absolutely smoothly. But then suddenly there are days when probably ICMR has tweaked a little bit on their portal and everything comes to a standstill. Okay. We have hundreds of patients waiting for the swab to be collected. We cannot take a swab because we are not able to generate an SRFID. Okay. So those issues have happened, but fortunately they are less nowadays. Okay.